So this is the new landing page of the system that we have. We might change this so that we have less room here and we push this up. We'll deal with that when the time comes. There are only 4 things to click on really here, okay? There is to just look around, which allows the customer to select the country they are in, here, if they don't see their country or whatever, they can click here, and if they don't see their country, then here it will say, we're sorry we didn't see your country, whatever the hell it is. You can try the new virtual house and take a look at it, so it will take them directly to the virtual house. They don't have to sign in or anything for that, okay? Or they can go back to where they were, or more information if they want to join us and become a franchise partner, okay? We'll just go back to all this stuff works, so there's nothing to change here, okay? If you change it, if you select the country that you are in, it will ask you what province you are in, because that's the next thing, okay? And then you'll click on that and it will show you the city. As soon as it does that, it will show you the house, all right? And when you click on the house, you can actually go inside the house, but you can't go inside the house in this version. You can, because it doesn't show you inside the house when you click on this. It only works, as far as I know, in the PHP variation, okay? So I will show you in the PHP variation what it actually looks like, okay? Because the system knows it's me, it remembers me. That is what happened in the HP version, but it doesn't work in the new one, okay? If I click on demo, it will show me a demo of the house, all right? But if I want to see the house itself, all right, and this will take me directly to the house. We also had a call now button so that we could call the programmer. This would be connected to you, so that if somebody wanted, so if I wanted some modification done, or the customer would also have a call button for something that we designed for them, they might want additional modification. Okay, so let's go directly to the test virtual house. If we go directly to the test virtual house, you will see exactly the same thing as you see in the new version of the virtual house that was done in in JavaScript, except this is the PHP variation of it. In other words, you can go into the house and look around. You see where I couldn't demonstrate it with the other one because this part of it doesn't work. And this is a very important part that must work, because this has all of the, like if we click on this, you can see how it zooms in to the room a little bit better, okay? If you click on couch, a menu will open up and it will connect you to the right tradesperson or store where you can buy it. This is supposed to allow you to have a plus and a minus sign here, so that if you want to enlarge it, this is something that you would view not on a mobile phone, but on a laptop of some type, okay? Or even a large tablet. When you are done and you say you want one custom made, it will connect you to the carpenter who will do that, okay? So it will allow you to select from the carpenter exactly the same way as it did when you went in through the other way. Let me go back, okay? Just to show you. If we go back, we go out of the house. It's not letting us go out. Okay, it's not a problem. The user will see Finish Carpenter here, for example. Not handyman, but Finish Carpenter. This is a person who makes custom-made software, blah, 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 blah. Okay? Then they will click on it. If they want to book in multiple tradespeople, they can also do it from the virtual house. All right? But here we are going to book one person. All right? Now at the top, because you want a piece of furniture built custom made, okay, it will show you at the top here, not select the tradesperson, but it will say select which type of carpenter that you want, because that is the name of the person that you select, the name of the title of their profession. And it will show 5 carpenters. Then they will click on, let's say, the first carpenter. It won't be less the handyman. It won't be less the handyman. It will be that carpenter, okay? Fine. It will be that carpenter. I'm sorry, I'm just, was stuff going on in the background here. Okay, so, I want you to know that they can select, they can see what types of carpentry work that they did, video references. It will have the name of their company here. It will have their picture here as well, and they can be booked in directly from here. When they click on this, then it will take them to a booking system. Now this is the old booking system. So they can select if they want the job done right away, they want an estimate, or if they want to go on a waiting list. But most people want the job done yesterday. Now this booking system is an old booking system. We have a new booking system for you to program, but it will work the same way. It just looks sexier. Okay? Days are broken down into 3 parts: morning, afternoon, and evening. We'll click on the 18th so that you can see that at 2 p.m. an appointment has been made. On the virtual house, every appointment is done every hour on the hour, because you can't show up at 2:30, for example, because the other tradesperson can't. It will be just every hour on the hour. Is it cold in there or not? No. Okay. Anyway, so you might want to select, let's say 10 a.m. okay, in the morning. You can also type in what you want, okay, or what the customer wants, and here they can upload a picture from their phone, or they can also explain what that is by clicking on here and saying blah 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 blah. I want it to look almost like the one in the picture, except I want like a second level and maybe a bed on the top. I'll try to send you a drawing as we talk about it in more detail, blah blah blah. When you're done, you press OK, and here when you press OK, it will open up the page of what your address is. Now this is assuming that you have previously registered in the system. If you are not in the system, now is the time that you will be able to register, okay? Because a lot of people have multiple dwellings. They have a cottage, they have a condo, sometimes they have 3 houses, you never know, okay? So if they already have all this information, it saves the person a lot of time. It shows the name of the person who's going to go there. It shows the time that they're going to go there and everything else like that. And when they're done, when they select whatever it is, now in this case, I think there's an error in this, but if not, we'll continue, and if so, I'll explain to you what will happen. No error. Sometimes there's an error and sometimes not. So here, it will show the name of the person. It will show the name of the company, that it's an emergency job, that they're going to build them something. The Finnish carpenter's name is blah blah blah, and his company name is blah blah blah. It will explain what he wants. Here are the pictures of it, and it will have an arrow here, a green arrow towards a picture of the tradesperson, and then it says here waiting for verification. It even will play on here and say blah 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 blah. They can see this, and they can see the text that they wrote, and they can also say, I didn't send a picture, but they will see pictures that they sent, and you can even send video if you want. Okay. When you're done, when it's done, a message will get back to the customer saying that your information has been sent. So they will see a window like this, and you're waiting for the tradesperson to verify that he will do the job. If the tradesperson verifies that he will be there, a large green arrow will appear back to the customer saying that this Finnish carpenter will be there at 7 o'clock next Friday at blah 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 blah, no problems. If the tradesperson cannot do it for whatever reason, a red, we have the graphics for this, a red arrow will appear back to the customer saying, I'm unable to build this kind of furniture, so I have automatically referred you to somebody else. Sorry, it's my mistake. It won't be red, it will be yellow, because the tradesperson can use the referral system also built into the virtual house and make a suggestion to the customer if the tradesperson has the exact same day and time available that the customer booked. Okay? If it's not exactly the same date and time, it will be a red arrow going back saying that I'm very sorry that I could not do the job. However, a link, if you click on this link below, here is a carpenter that can do it for you, but he is not available on the same day that I am going to come. You will not have to sign in again. This link will take you directly to your booking system for that particular tradesperson, or you can choose one of your own. This is what this system does. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know.